generations, our family has perfected the art of painting. From traditional techniques to cutting-edge innovations, we've honed our craft to deliver unparalleled results. At Alfa Painting, we're dedicated to quality, productivity, and professionalism. Our team is trained in the latest methods and technologies to ensure every project exceeds expectations. Hi, I'm Aaron. Our family's legacy was built on a commitment to excellence, and we're proud to bring that legacy to every project. Trust Alfa Painting for an experience that's second to none. From residential interiors to commercial exteriors, we bring a level of expertise and attention to detail that's unmatched in the coatings industry. We are family owned and operate from Springfield to the Tri-Lakes. Call now to schedule your estimate, and you can check us out on social media and YouTube.